So up to now, I trained almost 20,000 plus students, offline and as well as online. And like with my references, almost I placed 5,000 plus students. Fine. Today, we are going to discuss about very basic introduction part of what is software testing. First of all, guys, before start the class, I want the confirmation. Everyone, you have the chat option. You can directly interact with me through chat. So just give me confirmation message whether I'm audible or not. Everyone, you have the chat option. So just give me confirmation message whether I'm audible and you're able to see my screen. Good. So anyone, if you have any technical issue, just you can log off or you can contact the management. Okay. Okay. The first of all, today I'll give you the introduction part of software testing, such as what is software. First of all, what is software? From school onwards, we are learning same definition, such as from school onwards, same definition. What is software, guys? Everyone, what is software? Yes, collection of programs are set of executable programs in a computer. Everyone, once again, what is software? Collection of programs are set of executable programs in a computers. Nothing but call as software. Let me write, guys. A set of executable programs are collection of programs in a computer. Collection of programs in a computer. Nothing but call as software. Without software, nowadays, there is no job, there is no business, there is no human, because everyone, they're using common software as, mobile phone. Am I right? What is software? Collection of programs are set of executable programs in a computer. Nothing but call as software. Next. What is testing? Comparison between expected value and actual value. Everyone, what is testing? Comparison between expected value and actual value. What is mean by expected? What is mean by actual? Before develop the application, client requirement is called expected. Based on that, final result and the final output, nothing but call as actual. Everyone, once again, before develop the application, client requirement is called expected. Based on that, final result, nothing but call as actual. For example, guys, today I want to watch one movie. Before go to movie, by checking reviews, by checking teasers, definitely have some expectation, right? Which is called expected value. Which is called what? Expected value. After watching the movie, the final result, nothing but call as actual value. Final result, nothing but call as what? actual value. Everyone, once again, guys, before what we are expecting, nothing but call as expected, and actual, nothing but call as, I mean, the final result, nothing but call as actual. Yes. Once again, before what we're expecting is called expected and the final result is called actual. One more example, guys. One more example. During BTech, as a student, you have a lot of expectations, right? What is your expectations? Maybe during BTech, definitely you have everyone during BTech, definitely have campus interviews. Maybe you will get the job, or after completion of BTech, you will get. I mean, after completion of BTech, you will get immediately job with 3.5 lakhs package or 4 lakhs package, and after 3 to 4 years, 8 lakhs and 10 lakhs. After 6 years, go to client side abroad and getting job. I mean, go to abroad and marriage, 1 crore dowry, like that. You have more expectations, right? Those are called expected. But what is actual? No jobs. Again, attending classes in ITvidhya. So getting job, nothing but call as actual. Understand my point? So before our expectation is called expected. Final result, nothing but call as actual. Everyone. So I hope you understood, guys, what is software. A set of executable programs are collection of programs in a computer. What is testing? Comparison between expected values and actual values. Next, what is software testing? Anyone are able to give the answer for this? What is software testing? Either right or wrong, just give me your answer in chat box. What is mean by software testing? Good answer. Good, good. Okay, I'll explain, guys. I'll explain. Good. Okay, everyone. What is software testing? What is software testing? I'll show one small diagram, guys. If you understand diagram, then easily can understand definition of software testing. See, first of all, we are calling as client and also called as customer. We are calling as what? Client and also called as customer. First of all, client will provide requirement to developer and also called as programmer. Then developer, what he will do? He will develop the application based on the client requirement. Everyone, he will develop the application based on the client requirement. Once again, guys, first of all, everyone, first of all, like client and also called as customer. Client will provide requirement to developer and also called as programmer. Then developer develop the application based on the client requirement by using different technologies such as Java, Python, C Sharp, like by using different technology. After completion of development, everyone, after completion of development, application, 1 minute. Yes, after completion of development, application before send back to the, yes, application before send back to the client, then testing engineer job will be start. Testing engineer job will be start. So let me write. Testing engineer job will be start. When after completion of development, before delivered to customer. What is our job? We have to compare whether expected value equal to actual value or not. What is expected? Before development, client requirement considered as a expected. And after development, this final application, nothing but call as actual. If both are equal, client requirement satisfied. If both are not equal, nothing but call as defect and also called as bug. Nothing but call as defect and also called as bug. Everyone, once again, guys. Once again, testing engineer also called as QA, nothing but quality analyst. Quality analyst. Once again, guys, first of all, client will provide requirement to developer. Developer develop the application based on the client requirement. After completion of development, application before send back to the client. As a testing engineer, we have to compare whether expected value equal to actual value or not. What is expected? What is actual? Before develop the application, client requirement is called expected. Based on that, final result, nothing but call as actual. If expected value equal to actual value, both are equal. If expected value not equal to actual value, nothing but call as defect and also called as bug. Everyone, if you understand this diagram, that easily can understand definition of software testing. Once again, guys, what is software testing? Observe, it is a process, right? The process starts from client to developer, and again developer to testing engineer, and again testing engineer to client. Once again, client to developer, again developer to testing engineer, and again developer to, testing engineer to client. Once again, guys, everyone. So client will provide requirement to developer. Then developer develop the application as per the, yes, developer develop the application as per the client requirement. And before deliver to the client, testing engineer will test application to compare expected value and actual value. Everyone, once again, guys. So what is software testing? It will start, the process will start from client to developer and developer to testing engineer and testing engineer to client. It is a process of executing an application. It's a process of executing an application. Yes, it's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects or bugs. Everyone, what is software testing? It's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects and also called as bugs. Once again, guys, it's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects and also called as a bug. Everyone, one question, guys. So when to start testing engineer job? After development or before development? After development or before development? Please give your answer in chat box. When to start testing engineer job? After development, before development? Yes, very good. Guys, whenever I'm asking the question, please try to respond in the chat box. You can interact with me through chat. Depending on that, I can understand whether you are following or not. Good. After development. After development. Very good. Once again, what is software? A set of executable programs or collection of programs in a computer, nothing but called as software. What is testing? Comparison between expected values and actual values. And what is software testing? It's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects and also called as bugs. Next, what is quality? Nothing but, testing engineer designation also called as QA. Nothing but called as quality analyst. What is meaning by the quality? Quality means nothing but customer or client or end user. Everyone, customer or client or end user satisfaction. Nothing but call quality. Once again, guys, customer or client or end user satisfaction call quality. While using the application, if customer is not satisfied, if customer satisfied, customer point of view, it is a quality product. While using the application, if customer not satisfied, customer point of view, it is not quality. Once again, guys, what is meant by the quality? Customer or client or end user satisfaction, nothing but call quality. Customer or client or end user satisfaction, nothing but call as what? Quality. Next, before go to subject, I think you have a lot of doubts. If you want to become a software engineer, software testing engineer, what is the qualification required? If you learn software testing, then if you learn software testing, how the career will be there, how the job market for software testing engineer, like that, I think you have a lot of doubts. I'll give you clarification regarding that. Then we can enter into subject. Yes, then we can enter into subject. See, guys, small flashback. 2001. I'm not talking about 2021, not 2011. 2001, almost 20 plus years back. 2001, in IT companies, development process and as well as testing process, both done by only one person. Once again, guys, 2001 at the time in IT companies, development process and testing process, both done by only one person. Who is a person? Programmer. Yes, at the time, There is no testing engineer, only programmer. They developed application, also called as developer. Same developer, they developed and they tested also. But at the time, there is no ATM machines, there is no mobile apps, there is no laptops, there is no online transaction, there is no that much of successful softwares in the market because they developed, they developed. But out of 100% of projects, 70% of projects results got failure. Understand my point? Out of 100% of projects, out of 100% of projects, 70% of projects, 70% got failure. Understand my point? Yes. Out of 100% of projects, 70% of projects got failure. They don't know why it is failure. They don't know why it is failure. To know the reasons for failure, IT companies approach with SEI, Software Engineering Institute. It was started in USA to know the reasons for failure. Finally, it's given guidelines to IT companies. What are the guidelines? If you want to stop 70% of failure, everyone, if you want to stop 70% of failure, definitely you have to introduce the separate person as testing engineer into IT market. Understand my point, everyone? Yes. If you want to stop 70% of failure, you have to maintain, yes, you have to maintain separate, yes, you have to maintain separate team called testing engineer. Understand my point? You know one thing, 2001 onwards, IT companies testing engineer role, testing engineer responsibilities started in IT companies. But I have one doubt. My doubt is, in 2001 at the time, who developed application? Same person, the testing also, right? In 2001 at the time, who developed application? Same person, they tested also. But also why 70% softwares got failure? My question, understand? Who developed application? Same person that testing. Also, why 70% of softwares got failure? Why separate testing engineer required? Anyone are able to give the answer for this question? Testing is there, same person that testing. Also, why it's not enough? Why 70% of softwares failure? Give me your answers in chat box. Give me your answers in chat box. Good. Guys, good answer. I'll tell you. Exactly, I'll tell you. Who developed the application, they can think only positive way. They can't think negative way. Best example, guys. One girl, she's cooking some food. After cooking, after cooking, I'm giving, I'm giving food to, who prepared the food, I'm giving to the same person. I'm asking to finding mistakes. I'm asking to finding mistakes. Is it possible? Who cooked the person? Same person, they can't find out the mistakes because they can think only positive way. Same food I'm giving to another girl, I'm asking to finding mistakes. Is it possible? Yes, because another person can think both. What are the both? Positive way and as well as negative way. Are you clear my point? Everyone who developed the application, they can think only positive way. They're not able to think negative way. But testing engineer, they can think both positive way and as well as negative way. So guys, who developed the application, they can't find the defects. That's what separate testing engineer required. Guys, enter the world without testing, there is no any software in the market. Even artificial intelligence, robotics, chat GPT, anything after tested only, it will be delivered to the market. Enter the world, you can't find out even one software without testing. That much testing is important. But you have lot of doubts. After completion of BTech or who want to move to IT, which one is better, coding or testing? I'll give you one small clarification regarding that. That's what. Let me take example of 5 students. Let me take example of 5 students. So let me take example of 5 students. After completion of BTech or MCA or graduation something, or they want to move to IT. So guys, everyone the same confusion. Which one is better to move to IT? Which one is better to move to IT? I'll give you the clarification regarding that. Let me take example of the 5 students. First one, he learned, let me explain, 1 minute. First one, he learned Java. Second one, he learned Python. Third one, he learned C# or DevOps or something. Fourth one, he learned Oracle. Fifth one, he is from non-technical background, but he want to become a software engineer. So without any coding skills to become a software engineer, last one, he learned software testing. How job market will be there, I'll explain. First one, he learned only Java. Na? Every company, they're not using Java, right? Every company, they're not using Java. Who are developing the, maybe out of 100% of companies, 30% of companies only, 30% of companies only, they're implementing Java. Yes, 30% of everyone, 30% of, yes, 30% of companies only, they're implementing Java. So in that company only, if I learn Java, yes, out of 100% of companies, 30% of companies only, they're using Java. In that company only, he can get the job. In their companies only, he can get the job. Python also same. Out of 100%, 30% they're implementing that Python. In their company only, he can get the job. Every company, they're not implementing Python, right? Who are developing the Python? In their company only, we can, yes, in their company only, we can get the job. C# also same. Out of 100%, 20%, 30% they're using. Who are developing the application by using C#? In their company only, he can get the job. But if application developed by Java, if application developed by Python, if application developed by C Sharp, Oracle, anything before delivered to the customer, who is required? Testing engineer required. Who is required, guys? Testing engineer. If application developed by Java, Python, C Sharp, whatever it may be, before delivered to the customer, testing engineer required. Yes, testing engineer required. So guys, any company as a testing engineer, we can get more opportunities. So tell me now, which one is best job? Developer, testing engineer? Which one is best job? Developer, testing engineer? Give me your answer in chat box. Yes. Yes. Still, if you want to become a, if you want to become a developer, I mean, the more bumper offers for developer. What are the bumper offers? Free sugar, hair loss, BP, and everything free. Because that much of tension for, that much of tension for, yes, that much of tension for developer. But testing engineer, not like that. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Okay. Now let's enter into the subject. What is error, defect, comma, bug, and failure? While writing the code, everyone, while writing the code, if programmer find out any mistake in the coding part, call error. Once again, guys, if programmer, everyone, while writing the code, developer to develop the application, they will use different technologies such as Java, Python, C Sharp, like that. So programmer, while develop the application, they will prepare some code. If programmer find out any mistake in the coding part, nothing but call as error. Once again, guys, if programmer find out any mistake in coding part, call while developing the application, programmer will prepare some code. If they prepare, I mean, if they find out any mistake in the coding part is called error. What is defect and bug? Already explained the diagram now. What is meaning of defect and bug? If expected value not equal to actual value, call defect and also called as bug. Let me write, guys. If any mismatches in between requirements, or if expected value not equal with actual value called defect and also called as bug. Everyone, if any mismatches in between the requirements are if expected value not equal to actual value called defect and also called as bug. Next, what is failure? After development and testing during utilization, if customer facing any problem, everyone, during utilization, if customer facing any issue, call failure. Once again, guys, if programmer find out any mistake in coding part is called error. If expected value not equal to with actual value called defect and bug. And failure during utilization, if customer facing any issue called failure. Everyone are clear? Yes, if any programmer find out any mistake in the coding part is called error. If any mismatches in between expected value not equal to actual value called defect and also called as bug. Finally, failure. After development and after testing, delivered to customer during utilization, if customer facing any problem which is called failure. And testing engineer, two types of applications we can test. One is the project. Second one is product. So what is project? What is product? Which is developer for everyone. Project and product, which is developed for specific client requirement called project. What is mean by the product? Which is developed for entire market requirement called product. Once again, guys, which is developed for specific client requirement called as project, and which is developed for entire the market requirement called as product. For example, guys, I want to stitch my shirt. I want to stitch my shirt as per my measurements. I'm going to tailoring shop. I'm giving my measurements. They're stitching the shirt, which is called project, because only for my requirement. Only for my requirement. Next. Only for my requirement. Next. Yes. Next. Product. Branded jeans. Branded t-shirts. Everything comes into product. Once again, guys, which is developed for specific client requirement is called project, and which is developed for entire the market requirement is called product. Yes, entire the market requirement is called product. I hope you understood, guys, here. Everyone, which is developed for specific client requirement is called project, and which is developed for enter the market requirement is called product. Enter the market requirement is called product. One more example. I want to develop one mobile app. I want to develop one mobile app for my students to discuss the doubts and to get the updates from me. Only in between my students and me, which is called project, because only for particular customers, right? Product, WhatsApp. I can't bear any particular application. So I download WhatsApp and I'm creating the group in between students and me, which is called as what? Product. I hope you understood, guys. Which is developer for specific client requirement is called project, and which is developer for enter the market requirement is called product. Yes, guys. AK-47, is it project or product? AK-47, project and product. Abhishek, it is not product. We don't have permission to use AK-47. It is actually developer for army people. Of course, nowadays become a product, but don't call product. Call only project. So which is developer for specific client requirement is called project, and which is developer for enter the market requirement is called product. Guys, for festivals, mother, she will prepare some sweet in our homes, right? As per our requirement, which is called project. Which is called project. Tirupati Laddu, which is called products. But what is product means don't call Tirupati Laddu. What is product means don't call Tirupati Laddu. Just I give an example, okay? Once again, guys, which is developer for specific client requirement is called project, and which is developer for enter the market requirement is called product. Enter the market requirement is called product. And software testing, 2 ways. Software testing, how many ways? 2 ways. One is manual testing, and second one is automation testing. Everyone, software testing 2 ways. One is the manual testing. Second one is automation testing. What is mean by manual? What is mean by automation? For example, today I want to go to office. Without any help, by walk I am going, which is called manual. Nothing but called as human interactions. Called manual. By the help of tools and softwares, nothing but called as automation. Once again, guys, everyone, software testing 2 ways. One is manual testing and second one is automation testing. What is manual testing? It's a process of testing an application without any help, only by human interactions are called manual testing. By the help of tools and softwares, nothing but called as automation testing. Everyone, software testing 2 ways. One is manual testing and second one is automation. Second one is what? Automation testing. Second one is automation testing. Yes, second one is what? Automation testing. Everyone. But any project, it should be starts with manual, then we can go to automation. Without automation testing, without manual, you're not able to go to automation. Of course, nowadays, automation is very important to get the job. Selenium, Tosca, all automation tools comes into automation testing. Nowadays, without automation testing, there is no jobs in software industry. But first, we have to learn manual, then we can go to automation testing. Without manual, Directly, if you go to automation testing, it's look like a Malayalam movie. You can't understand automation. First, you have to learn manual testing. Then we have to go to automation testing. Guys, in our class, both we can discuss. First, 25 days, we can learn manual testing. Yes, manual testing along with live project. Whenever 20 days is done, parallelly 45 days, course duration for automation testing. Automation testing, we can learn Selenium. You know, guys, 25 days we can learn manual, 45 days we can learn automation, but no need to wait 25 days to learn automation. Whenever 50% manual testing is done, 7 to 8, whenever manual testing is going on, parallelly after 2 weeks, I'll start parallelly automation testing Selenium classes. I'll start automation testing Selenium classes. So because manual important and as well as automation important, and you know very well, manual testing 100% free, but automation testing is chargeable. So in manual testing, every day 1 hour session, Initially, manual testing, the class timing 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. Yes. And everyone, like every day, I'll give you notes, but I'll start giving the notes after 3 days. After 3 days, who are attending classes regularly, I can provide the notes to those students. And every week, I'll conduct mock interview. Yes, every week I'll conduct what? Mock interview. So guys, maybe manual testing, they said free. So maybe they will teach the basic. Don't expect like that. 100%, 200%. After completion of our course, manual and automation, you can compare your knowledge with minimum 3+ years of experience, guy. That much of knowledge you can gain. So don't expect only basic knowledge in our classes. You can expect, from basic to advanced level, both you can implement here. Understand my point? Yes, both you can implement here. And I'll help you whenever course is done. I'll help, and along with this course, you will get, course complete certificate. Course complete certificate. And as well as, if you want the class recordings, please contact to management recording that. And who are completed manual testing, automation testing, we can provide FAQs them. And as well as we can provide resume preparation and as well as job assistance. Yes, job assistance. We tie up with so many companies. Whenever the job openings, we can share with you. You have to attend the interview. You have to crack the job by yourself. We can share you the job information. Everything, Jira tool and agile methodology, test plan, and everything you can learn our classes. So I want to ask questions from today class, guys. I want to ask questions. Please give me reply in chat box. Guys, please give me your answers in chat box. Question number 1. What is defect? Question number 1. What is defect? Give me your answer in chat box. Very good answers. Yes, expected value not equal to actual value. Expected value not equal to what? Actual value. Very good. Next, if any application developer for enter the market requirement. If any application developer for enter the market requirement. If any application developer for enter the market requirement call. If any application developer for enter the market requirement is called. Yes, very good. Product. Yes, product. Next. Next. Software testing two ways. What are the names of two ways? Software testing two ways. What are the names of two ways? Manual testing and as well as automation testing. Manual testing and automation testing. Good. Good. Very good, guys. Guys, every day the class will start exact 7 to 8 p.m. If you have any doubts and questions, please ping me in the chat box. If you have any doubts and questions, please ping me in chat box. Shivani, automation fees, please ask to management. I hope you got the mail or message from the management. Please call to that number. They will explain about automation fee structure. Mayuri, class every day 1 hour session. Every day 1 hour session. Tomorrow we can discuss about SDLC. Every day same links. Link never change. Yes, only with manual testing you can't get the job. With both manual and automation you have to learn. Only manual testing free sonali, automation you have to pay. No, Mayuri, only evening classes available as of now. So if you contact the management, maybe they can help you something. Definitely, Karthik. Yes, in the automation, I'll explain API testing also. Yes, you can get. Yes, Shivani. Yes, Arvind, I'll help you for that. Yes, Mayuri, agile model we can discuss. Yes, Marina, web services API testing you can learn. Yes, you can gain that much of knowledge, Pratap. You can get school management and healthcare applications as a live projects. China, for automation syllabus, contact to management once. Yes, Jira tool you can learn, Navina. You can get the notes, no worry. I mean, Pula, just contact the management regarding the automation fees. Yes, Vikash. Sure, within 2 days, I'll create the WhatsApp group. There we can discuss if you have any doubts. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a nice day to all. We can continue tomorrow. Same time. Don't miss the class. Same time and same link. Thank you. Bye-bye.